Use the new reporting engine in SigmaTUBE to add, edit, copy, and create brand new reports. Choose from a list of newly supported formats including PDF, HTML, CSV, PNG, and more. Use the included report editor to modify any of the included report templates or to create brand new reports. Preview your changes in the report editor to verify the printed format and report information. Create brand new report types, including part label reports with barcode and QR code support. Improved report controls now easily allow for selecting and previewing exactly which tasks and layouts are used for generation. Customize the report name and file type for each report that will be generated.